Good evening, my dear student. Myself, Dr. Apil Sir. I am going to solve the exercise 1.4. Basically, this exercise 1.4 is related to the union and intersection of two sets or more sets. And my dear student, already we have discussed about the union as well as intersection on sets in the previous lectures. Okay, so here just I will try to recall the basic concept on union and intersection of two sets, and then I will try to solve this question. Dear students, so come to the question number 5. Here you see in the question number 5, find the intersection of each pair of the set in question on above. Yes, that means this one. You see in the question number 1 here they provide these sets of pair of sets. Just we need to find the intersection of these sets. Yes, so before I am going to solve this question here, just I will try to recall the concept of intersection. You see the intersection of two sets. Suppose we consider A is a set and B is a set, then intersection of these two sets we denote like this way: A intersection B. Yes, and this is nothing, this is also is a set and which consists all the common elements of A and B. Yes, that means just this is nothing, this is the set or collection of all the common elements of A and B here. You see, so in the first question you see here, X is this one, Y is this one. So what will be X intersection Y? Yes, what will be X intersection Y? You see, which are the common elements here? You see here 1 and 1, this 1 is the common element and 3 is also the common element. So here you take 1 and 3. Yes, 1 and 3 3. Yes, these two are the common elements, so you collect them. So this is our X intersection Y. Similarly, what will be the intersection of A and B? What will be A intersection B? Here you see what will be the intersection of this A and B. So which are the common elements? First you find here, you see this A, A is the common element only. Yes, so A is the common element only, so you put here A only. Yes, so this is our A intersection B. Number 3, here you see question number 3 here, X is a natural number and multiple of 3, and B is the set which consists all the natural number which is less than 6. Here you see these A and B are in set builder form. So just first of all you try to write this set into roster form first, okay, and then we can easily find the common elements. So what will be A here? You see A consists all those X which is a natural number and multiple of 3. That means which will be here will be 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Yes, this is our A. And what will be B here? You see B is nothing, B contain here X, and X is a natural number less than 6. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is our B. So now you find which are the common elements here and put here in our this X and A intersection B. Here you see which are the common elements. I think these 3 and these 3. Yes, this is nothing, this is the common element. So only 3 is the common elements here, so you put here this is 3. Yes, so this is our A intersection. Question number 4. In the question number 4 you see they provide also A and B, but they are in set builder form. So you first write this one into roster form. Yes, so what will be A here? You see A contain X, and X is a natural number and X is greater than 1 but less or equal to 6. That means X will be the natural number which is greater than 1 but less than equal to 6. Then what will be the numbers here, elements? So these 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. Yes, this is the elements. And here you see in the set B here, B contain X and X is a natural number and that X is in between 6 and 10. That means the elements will be 7, 8 and 9. Now what will be A intersection B here? Now you try to find the common elements here. Which are the common elements here? You see I think there is no common element. Yes, there is no common element, so this set will be empty. Yes, there is no element will be there, so this A intersection B is nothing here. This is phi. Yes, this A intersection B will be phi because there is no common element. Now come to question number 5. Here you see, here A is this one, B is this one, so what will be A intersection B? Yes, you see in the B set this is empty, phi is empty, so there is any common element here? No, there is no common element because B set has no element. So obviously since this is empty, so there is no common element will be there. So what will be this A intersection B? So this is phi. Yes, so hope all of you can solve this type of problem which are related to intersection. Okay.